Okay, so that's the sound, which sounds like something's loose in the car, like a clunky sound. And this is the sound from under the car.
Ja, den är lös. Fan, den är helt lös.
Always use 2 jack stands and a jack. This is the location of the 15mm bolt to the hydraulic damper. We needed to spray lubricant on the bolt and also heat it with a torch like crazy to get it loose.
Yes, I am invincible!
Den ser ut, det är okej. Den är släpp där, jag tror att de ska gå in. Och så är det helt låsa med den.
Va?
Nej, det ser blått. Det är enkom gänglåsning.
Loctite.
Ja, det är det. Jag tar fil.
This is a 13mm nut with a 5mm pin, I think.
Ah, that's why it doesn't work. Bingo. Always clean all the threads. And some lube. Some more cleaning. Nice.
What's that?
Repairing the threads with a thread file and some copper paste. Here we test the threads with just the bolt alone.
It's a professional suspension from Hamako. Chinese quality. Very good. 2 10s to the left and right. Just unloosen them. Okay, so I'll clean the bolts, and now we're good to go. Woo! First one. Second one. Okay, the last bolt. Let's do this. Okay, looks like we made it. That's checked and all right. And that's checked and all right. Klar.